What is worse than making grammar mistakes while practicing IELTS? Not noticing them and repeating those mistakes over and over. All in the name of practice. Working with a tutor? Sure. But while waiting days for feedback, you could have done so much more practice. This is where Cathoven comes in. Enter your Task 2 topic. Write or upload your essay. Your results will be ready in a minute. Click Grammatical Range and Accuracy tab to see your grammar mistakes. While highlights on, you can highlight your mistakes and see the feedback for each one. This tool focuses on actionable feedback, like fixing this to reach Band 7. No overwhelming lists, just the guidance you need to improve. Lastly, you can see your overall IELTS Writing Task 2 score along with the score for each criterion. Remember, your goal isn't IELTS, it's what comes after. So study smarter, not harder.